Now that we've added the assets, let's go into naming these assets. So we go down to naming. So notice in this case here, I would have this mic line input 1 and 2. So instead of that, let's make it easy to keep up with. Now we just call this handheld. And maybe I'm going to have multiple rooms with multiple handhelds, and maybe I would just do a 1 just to keep which one is this actually is. Same thing with a lavalier, so I could say lavalier 1 as well. Beamforming mic we've already named when we did that in the settings section under the P-links. USB, we could just keep this as USB, or we could say USB, cloud-based calls or something like that. And we could also say this is for VoIP, and maybe this is VoIP, and call it phone 1. And our outputs, maybe we actually just call this ceiling speakers. In the gating group, we could just keep that as is. So this is just something how you can make it easier naming instead of using what is pulled over by default. You also can separate this by partitions. We only have one room so far, but this really comes in handy if you've already named numerous rooms. Instead of showing everything, you can now just break it out to that exact room. You can also sort things alphabetically or by device and connector. So in other words, this would not really change in this scenario, but if I wanted to make sure I had mic line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I could actually, instead of alphabetically, do this by device and connector. So just a few things that are within this section here. One thing you can do in naming that's really nice, and I'll do this real quickly to show you, but in naming tool, I could say if this was 8 table mics or numerous mics that were all the same, instead of naming them table mic 1, table mic 2, table mic 3, you can use the naming tool, and on these mic line inputs, I could have actually just said table mic, and I could start with number 1 here, and if I hit OK, you'll notice that it just lists those and names them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is. But in this case, I'm going to keep it, make it simple for just a basic system. And we'll call this lavalier 1 as well. And that will be our little section on how you would name the assets within the project.